Learn how to refresh and hard refresh web pages in Microsoft Edge, ensuring you see the latest content every time. Open Microsoft Edge and click on the three dots in the top right corner of the browser. Tap the F5 key on your keyboard. Alternatively, click the refresh button at the top of the browser. This ensures the page reloads while utilizing your browser cache before requesting new content from the server. Press Ctrl plus F5 on your keyboard simultaneously. This bypasses the cache and forces the browser to fetch the latest version of the web page directly from the server. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.